The flashing security light on your Chevy Silverado indicates the Passlock system has disabled fuel delivery. Resetting this anti-theft system requires a precise 30-minute key relearn procedure to synchronize the ignition cylinder with the body control module. Begin the process by sitting in the driver's seat and ensuring all doors are completely closed. Insert the ignition key and turn it to the on position without cranking the engine, which will illuminate the dashboard and start the security light flashing. Leave the key in this exact position for 10 minutes until the flashing security light turns completely off or stays solidly lit. Once the first 10 minutes have passed and the light has changed state, turn the ignition off for exactly 5 seconds without removing the key. Turn the key back to the on position for a second 10-minute interval. Monitor the security light closely until it either turns off or stops flashing once again. Turn the ignition off for another 5 seconds before turning it back to the on position for the third and final 10-minute cycle. Wait patiently for the security light to stop flashing one last time, signaling that the vehicle's computer is successfully learning the new key data. Turn the key off for a final 5 seconds to lock in the new programming. The Passlock relearn sequence is now fully complete and the system is reset. Turn the key to start the engine, and the truck will fire up normally with fuel delivery completely restored.